everyone. So today I'm going to show you how to make a satin pillowcase without sewing at all. So what you want to do is you want to get a pre-existing pillowcase that you have, set that aside. Next you want to get your material. Now this is one thing. I have a satin bed sheet that I only use the tucking, you know, the one that has the elastic. That's the one that I use on my bed. I don't use the normal one, you know, the one without the elastic. I never use that on my bed, so it usually goes to waste. But I love the material of this pillowcase, and my girls always end up stealing my pillowcase that looks like this. They always wanted their own, so today I was going to surprise them and create one. So what you want to do is you want to get that, and then you also want to get this. This is a super fabric adhesive, is fabric glue, and you want to use a fabric glue. You also want to have a tape measure thing. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to measure our bed pillowcase that we originally have. So now you have your pillow material. Now that you have your pillow material, still keep the pins in. The next thing you want to do is that you want to grab your glue. So remember the glue that we were working with. So I'm going to grab that glue.